Welcome back to Welcome Rajaniti channel. Today I have very interesting and very important topic for you. Best effective and powerful way of learning English language is to listen English conversation. English conversation will help you a lot in enhancing your speaking English. नोंथाङा जुदि इंराजि रायलायनो लुबैबा इंराजि रायलायनायखौ स्किलखौ डेभेलप खालामनो लुबैबा नोंथाङा जेसेबां हायो इंराजि रायज्लायनाय खोनासंनांगौ माने नेटिव स्पिकार्सफोरा रायलायनाय इंग्लिश खोनासंनांगौ यूट्यूब आरो फेसबुकआव मेल्ला बेबायदि भिडिअस मोनो कन्वर्सेशन खालामनाय इंग्लिश मानसिफ्रा माने इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग मानसिफ्रा कन्वर्सेशन खालामनाय बेबायदि इंग्लिश रायलायनाय कन्वर्सेशनफोरखौ नोंथांमोना नायोब्ला नोंथाङा गोबां इंराजि रायलायनायनि टिप्स मोनगोन आरो आइडिया मोनगोन आरो नोंथाङा कारेक्ट प्रनाउन्सिएशनजों इंराजि रायलायनो हागोन बेनिखायनो आङो सम इंराजि रायलायनाय भिडिअ हगारो जाहाथे इंराजि बुंनो लुबैग्रा इन्टारेस्टेड भिउवार्सफ्रा एसे खोनासंनाय लिसनिं स्किलखौ डेभेलप खालामनो हायो It's very important to develop your listening skill. If you can develop your listening skills, you will be able to pronounce the words correctly. Your accent will be very, perfect. So it's very important to keep listening English conversation. Or you can watch English movie also. But never forget to watch the movies with subtitles. If the movies don't possess subtitles, it becomes difficult for us to understand the movie. So, at the time of watching English movie, ensure that the movies possess subtitles. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a very interesting sentence patterns today, and this sentence pattern will help you a lot in speaking English language, and you can use these sentences, okay, with anybody or every day. Okay, the first sentence pattern that I'm gonna tell you is that the sentence will start with a subject, then am is are in present form, or you can use was and word also, and this will be for the first. Okay, then tired of. Tired will be in the past participle form, tired of plus verb ing verb. So if you say sentences with these patterns, how will it be in our language? It will be जोंनि बर'आव जागोन मा माबा मोनसे खामानिखौ मावनानै मेंनाय जेरैबायदि आं बिखौ खावलायनानै मेंग्लिलांबाय आङो लाइनाव गसंनानै मेंग्लिलांबाय आं बिखौ नेनानै मेंग्लिलांबाय बेबायदि रोखोमनि बाथ्राखौ बुंनो थाखाय नोंथाङा बे सेन्टेन्स पैटर्नआव बाथ्रा बुंनांगोन okay to express such kind of sentences in English you have to make sentences with the sentence pattern. So I repeat the sentence pattern: subject plus am is are plus tired of plus verb form. That means verb with ing. Okay, let us have some examples and you will be clarified if I give you some examples with these patterns. Okay, I am tired of requesting him. आं बेखौ खावलायनानै मेंग्लिलांबाय बा मेंलायबाय ओरैबायदि. So next example, I am tired of waiting her. आं बेखौ नेनानै मेंलायलांबाय बा मेंग्लिलांबाय. Next example, I am tired of standing in the queue. आङो लाइनाव गसंनानै मेंलायलांबाय. I am tired of watching this movie. आङो बे मुभिखौ नायनानै मेंलायलांबाय माने बालायलांबाय आरोखि. The next example, I am tired of thinking about her. बिनि सोमोन्दै साननानै आङो मेंलायलांबाय बा मेंग्लिलांबाय. So this is interesting sentence pattern. Now you practice. Now you try to make more and more sentences with the sentence pattern. Okay, now let us come to the next sentence pattern, which is very important for you. You can use this sentence pattern, okay, whenever you talk to your friends, with anybody. Okay, in our day-to-day life, this kind of sentences are very important for us. Okay, let us come to the next sentence pattern. How dare plus subject plus verb one, माने present from the verb, then object. बे मोनसे सेन्टेन्स पैटर्न मोजां सेन्टेन्स पैटर्न आरो बे सेन्टेन्स पैटर्नआव सेन्टेन्स बानायोब्ला बाथ्रा बानायोब्ला नै बायदि जागोन. So example लाग्रोनि बेनि उनाव बर'खौ बुंगोन. Let us have some examples of these sentence patterns. Okay. How dare you call me fool? नों आंखौ जाम्बा बुंनो माबोरै साहस मोनखो? Okay, बेबायदि जायो. बेबायदि रोखोमनि बाथ्राफोरखौ बुंनो थाखाय बे sentence patternआव बाथ्रा बुंनांगोन. Okay, let us take another example. How dare you do this work? नों बे खामानिखौ मावनो माबोरै साहस मोनखो? Okay, next example. How dare you say this to me? नों आंखौ बेबायदि बुंनो माबोरै साहस मोनखो? Next example. How dare you say me I love you? I love you बुंनो नों आंखौ माबोरै साहस मोनखो? Next example. How dare you go there? नों बैयाव थांनो माबोरै साहस मोनखो? So बेबायदि माखौबा मावनो थाखाय माबोरै साहस मोनखो? बेबायदि रोखोमनि बाथ्रा बुंनो थाखाय सोरखौबा सोंनो थाखाय you have to use this sentence pattern. It's very interesting and very important, which can be used daily in our day-to-day talking. So remember, make more and more sentences and practice and make yourself habit of making or saying such kind of sentences effortlessly. One thing you have to know, whenever you make sentences, your sentence should come from your mouth effortlessly. Then fluency will come to you. And if you cannot say the sentences effortlessly, there will be no fluency in your speaking. So if you want to bring fluency in your speaking, the sentences which you want to say must come to your mouth effortlessly. There should not give any effort to say such kind of sentences. Then only there will be fluency in your speaking. Okay, let us come to the next sentence pattern. Nothing left plus 2 plus verb 1. So this is also one of the most important sentence pattern. Now you will understand what is the meaning of the sentence pattern when I give you some examples with this sentence pattern. Okay, let us have some important and interesting sentence of this sentence pattern. Okay, nothing left to say. बुंनो थाखाय जेबो गैला. माने मानसिफोरा बुंजोबबाय आंनि थाखाय बुंनो जेबोआनो गैला. Nothing left to say. बा नोङो बाहाय गोलाव बुंनाय nothing left for me to say. बुंनो थाखाय आं बुंनो थाखाय जेबोआनो गैला. मिटिंफोराव स्पिच लाखियोबा बुंनो हायो आगोलनि बुंग्राफ्रा बुंजोबलांबाय आं बुंनो थाखाय जेबोआनो गैला होनना बुंनोबा nothing left for me to say. Okay, next example. Nothing left to do. मावनो थाखाय जेबोआनो गैला जोबजोबबाय थारमाने सोरबाया मावजोबबाय. Nothing left to give you. नोंनो होनो थाखाय जेबोआनो गैला थारमाने जोबजोबबाय. Okay, next example. Nothing left to eat. जानो थाखाय जेबोआनो गैला. So बे सेन्टेन्स पेटार्नाव बेबायदि सेन्टेन्सफोर बानायनो हायो आरो बर'आव बेबायदि ओंथि फोरमायनाय जायो बे सेन्टेन्स पेटार्नाव सेन्टेन्स बानायोब्ला. So बै सेन्टेन्सफोरखौ नोंथाङा बहियाव लिरख'नानै माखासे सेन्टेन्स बानाय जिखि जाया भार्ब खनखांनानै ला आरो 10टा 20टा वर्ड्स कालेक्सन खालामनानै बे वार्ड्सफोरखौ बे सेन्टेन्स पेटार्नाव बाहायनानै माखासे बाथ्रा बानाय आरो प्रेक्टिस खालाम बुंनायनि आरो इजिलि बुंनो हानाय हुदा खालामनानै ला. सालाय बिजौआवनो जेबो सिन्था खालामालासिनो बुंनो हानाय सर' खालामना लानांगौ अब्लाना नोंनियाव फ्लुएन्सि फैगोन आरो बेयो इजिलि फैयो जेब्ला नोङो दसे सम गोसो होनानै 15 मिनिट आधा घन्टा जेब्ला नोंथाङा बे सेन्टेन्स पेटार्नाव 10टा 20टासो सेन्टेन्स बानायनानै बेखौनो एसे फरायगोन आरो प्रेक्टिस खालामगोन ना बे 15 मिनिट आधा घन्टानि गेजेरावनो नोंथांनो फ्लुएन्सिया फैयो आरो फ्लुएन्सिखौ बेबायदिनो लाबोनांगौ. दाना नेक्स्ट मोननैसो इम्पर्टेन्ट सेन्टेन्स दाना सेन्टेन्स पेटार्न नङा दाना इम्पर्टेन्ट गुसुं सेन्टेन्सफोर बुंनो नागिरदों. हेभ पेशेन्स धैर्य हम बुंनोबा इंराजियाव हेभ पेशेन्स धैर्य हम. नेक्स्ट सेन्टेन्स हेभ ए सिट जिराय आलासि फैदों सोरबा लोगो फैदों सियार दोंखायो हमनानै ला जिराय होनना बुंनोबाथाय हेभ ए सिट जिराय. नेक्स्ट सेन्टेन्स इट्स आप टु मी बेयो आंनि गोसो होनना बुंनोबा इट्स आप टु मी. नेक्स्ट सेन्टेन्स गड नोज इसोरासो मिथिगौ नबडी नोज रावबो मिथिया गड नोज इसोरासो मिथिगौ बा अनलि गड नोज इसोराल'सो मिथिगौ नबडी नोज रावबो मिथिया. व्हाट्स रं विथ इउ नोंहा मा जादों दुखु दुखु नुयोब्ला मानसिखौ अब्लाना नोङो सोंनो हायो व्हाट्स रं विथ इउ नोंहा मा जादों व्हाट्स रं विथ इउ नोंहा मा जादों. So very interesting sentence pattern and sentences आं नोंथांमोननो बे भिडिअ लाबोबाय. So just watch the video, and at the time of watching the video, never forget to take a pen and copy with you so that you can note down all the sentences and sentence patterns that I have seen in my video. Okay, remember all these things and practice this. Make more and more sentences, write more and more sentences, okay, and start speaking sentences loudly so that fluency comes to your mind. So in the next video, I will bring you such kind of interesting and important sentence and sentence patterns in the next video. So again, we are meeting in the next video. Till then, bye bye, see you next.